Hey guys, welcome to another simple salsa pattern for beginners. My name is Hervin and I'm gonna be your dance instructor. So get your dance shoes ready and let's go. But before you go though, subscribe here for more salsa tutorials. Welcome back guys, we got another salsa pattern, easy move for beginners that you can start doing. Learn this one and start dancing with it right away. Okay, let's jump right into it. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. High five, left turn. 5, 6, 7 with both hands. So what I did there is I showed the hand on one. She high fives, twists her shoulders in slightly to wind up. Then from here, I take both hands. I close the hands and I bring the hands close to the forehead. 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And then on 7, I start to prepare to do a right travel turn. This is a crossbody lead footwork, right travel turn for her. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let me show you guys from this angle. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you have the hands tangled up like this. To get out of it, you do another left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and you're back to the basic. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Let's repeat it. 5, 6, 7. High five. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Prepare. Right travel turn. 5, 6, 7, then left turn to finish it off. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. From here, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right travel turn. 5, 6, 7. Left turn for her. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, so that is the pattern. Learn it, start dancing with it. Let's do it with music. Awesome job, guys. Well done for watching all the way to the end of this video. I hope you enjoy the pattern. Practice it, get better at it, and start dancing right away. By the way, guys, if you know anybody who wants to improve their salsa dancing, send them over this way and subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. See you soon.